Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the top 5 tutorials for After Effects in May. As I mentioned a couple of months ago, I have actually started a Discord server. A few people have joined, which is amazing, but I'd really love to get a lot more on board so we can start having some conversations and start solving some problems. So come on, join in, don't be shy, ask away and keep me busy. Without further ado, let's have a look at these videos. Well, look at who the cat dragged in. For those of you who know, it's been a long time, and it's a very warm welcome back for Andrew Kramer. Andrew's website Video Copilot is one of the original places you could get very high quality After Effects tutorials. He's been missing in action for a couple of years now, and thankfully we have this really great snippet from a presentation Andrew recently gave at NAB. Andrew talks us through how using the inbuilt plugins we can achieve unexpected and impressive visual effects. His example is using CC ball action, and here he uses it in different ways to get this really cool sound effect. Well, I hope this is the beginning of some new videos from Andrew, and thanks to the Adobe team for posting this video. The second video this month is by Desmond of NoSleepCreative. It's been a minute since we've posted anything from Desmond, but as always, he has come through with a stellar video. This video is an introduction to expressions. I've mentioned before we don't usually get that many expression tutorials, but this one ticks all the boxes. We have a very clear and detailed explanation of what expressions are, why we would use them, and examples too. Desmond has a great teaching style, and I'm always keeping an eye out for his next videos. The third tutorial is by Michael Ponch, and in this video we're going to see how he created a 3D TIE fighter using shape layers and a free plugin called SABER. What's fantastic about this tutorial is how we take the inbuilt shape layers of After Effects and the free plugin SABER and create this really cool TIE fighter. I've mentioned this before, and After Effects doesn't really do 3D in the same sense that a 3D program would. So when I see something like this, I just love the fact that After Effects is being pushed. And it really does go to show that you can break some boundaries and still make something look really good. The video has a lot of moving parts and a lot of good theory behind it. I'll let Michael explain that, but this is really worth your time. Definitely check this one out. The fourth video this month is by Avnish, and it's great to see some new content from him. As the title suggests, we see 10 beginner mistakes and how to avoid them. And lo and behold, I've definitely made all of them. The two mistakes I still make all of the time is 1, trying to open a pre-comp when I've got a different tool other than the cursor selected. And the other one is actually incorrectly duplicating a composition. I might think I've duplicated a composition, start editing that composition, and then, figure out 20 minutes later that basically I've just messed up the composition and have to do undo about 100 times. And this still happens to me after all of these years. I really wish videos like this would have been around when I first started, and possibly it could have helped us avoid making some mistakes. Probably not, but it's just nice to know what mistakes you're probably gonna make. The fifth and final video of our roundup is by ProductionCrate, and what a brilliant tutorial we have here. Admittedly, this is from the back end of April, but who's counting? It's May. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create Doctor Strange hand shields, and who doesn't want these? Again, there is quite a lot of steps to this video, so I won't list them all, but I will say I love this type of format for a tutorial. It isn't all just about what button to press, it actually goes into explaining why we do something, and I think there's so much more value in that too. So definitely check this one out. Alright, well thanks again guys. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button. Also hit that notification icon too. If you have any questions, please put those in the comments, and also head over to our website, aftereffectsbeginner.com, and sign up to our newsletter.